with the continuous increase in global sustainable development enthusiasm. Major brand merchants have begun to pay continuous attention to the green and environmentally friendly upgrading of product packaging. Pulp molded packaging, as the most mature green packaging currently available, naturally receives praise from major brands. TSMT 9570 boutique work package machine from Besure Technology. Collected multiple technology patents from Besure Technology. The equipment adopts fully automatic mechanical intelligent control from forming to stacking. Equipment operation is simple, maintenance is simple, production efficiency is high, and energy consumption is low. Reduce production cost for manufacturers. Improve product quality and competitiveness. If you are interested in this device, please contact us.
朝夕之间疯狂生长，我们努力靠近对方，心跳在。